what's going on, everyone? Scott and Hercules Adventures here. Just to let you guys know, I'm building up a community on Reddit right now, and also some other ways of communication here in YouTube and also Facebook and Reddit. That we are going to go on our adventures here pretty soon. I'm also hoping this will be done by the end of the year. The build. I do have a futon with my little Hercules that has a snotty nose that I need to actually address. Well, I have that addressed. I had to wipe his nose. Well, anyway, I will be doing a very long trip, but I'm also going to be doing a build here pretty soon. And I'm hoping to do this while while filming. Why not? And actually make sure that my neighbors can't see, so that's another thing that I'm going to have to worry about. That's a different story for another time. Anyway, I will be doing one short camping trip for a shakedown of what I'm going to need for a long trip, but not building it out yet. And after the long trip, whatever's left from what I spend is going to be my money for building this up. Number one is building this futon that I'm sitting on right now. Not laying in. I've been laying in it for a while, about 3 months, and building it up into a bed / futon. And on the other side of this video camera that I'm not going to show you right now because it's a complete mess is my kitchen area, and I'm going to build it from ceiling to floor. It's going to have water. It's going to have drainage to a tank. It's going to have a gray and maybe possible dump tank. I'm going to have a dump tank because, number one, people are going, why don't you just drill a hole and put a pipe in there and put it on the ground? I'm more considerate than that. And then I'm also going to be doing a full kitchen and a partial bathroom. And yes, it's going to have a partial bathroom because I'm going to need to go use the restroom when I'm out in the middle of nowhere. And doing a lot of dispersed camping. Yeah. I'm old school, but I'm also new school. But I'm more old school because, number one, I was born in the 80s. My mom was born way beyond that. So was my father. But that's in a different video. The long video that I want to show you guys. And Hercules. Oh, sorry I picked you up again. He doesn't care. This is my baby boy. Huh. Oh, he just loves being cuddled with. Yeah, he just doesn't really. He's ready to go. That's number one. He's ready to go. He'll be on my lap, and you'll see it in a very future episode, very soon episode. But for now, between here and there, it's going to be shorts with Zuma and Hercules. And while I'm still planning out this plumbing and sink and toilet, which is going to have a cassette toilet, and also the battery, the solar, and also the roof rack that I'm going to have to store a lot of stuff in from down here up to there. And everything's going to have a lock on it, mainly because my neighbors, they know that they're the ones that are causing all the problems up and down the street. That's a different story for a different day. But yeah, I will be doing YouTube videos here and there, giving you guys an update of when I'm going to be going on these trips. Right now you can hear I have a leak, so I have a tarp over it. But now it's raining, and I was going to go inside the house. Never mind. I'm going to be listening to my headphones. More planning, and more shorts from the cats, and you guys will see, and hopefully you guys will see the whole entire build and the launch. And what I mean by that is taking this thing and going on a adventure, on-road, off-road, camping, fishing, cooking with Hercules and I. And it's going to be different. You guys will see. It's going to be all closed caption, and hopefully it's going to be relaxing and fun. So, alright guys, talk to you guys later. That's Snippet.